Serving scalp realness. I ain't have to use glue, gel, or spray. And I know you know that we love a throw on and go, protect them edges. Although glue shouldn't be touching your hair anyways, but it happens, so you know. And being this straight is so darn silky. We ain't worrying about daily styling of this unit, but let's talk about it. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button for your girl one time, because you don't want to miss anything. Trust me, you don't want to miss anything. Wait a minute, that's for the notification part. Hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss anything. Now, one thing, you already know what time it is, okay? If you ain't new, welcome back. Well, let's go ahead and get it popping. All right, so we have a unit from Love Me Hair. Another unit. Y'all know y'all was loving the other unit, but now we got another unit. That one was short. This one is long. What's up? All right, now you are free to use the timestamps if you want to boop, bounce around to the parts of the video that you want to see, but I'm gonna let you know off jump, okay? It's gonna make more sense and it's gonna give you a better decision whether or not you want to pick up this unit if you just watch the entire video, because I'm gonna give you the good, bad, the ugly, the pretty, everything, okay? So watch it all the way through. Trust me. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump in. So let me just get a couple things out the way. Firstly, I want to say that the unit has an amazing lace on it. So this is the Undetectable Invisible Lace Straight 13x4 Frontal Lace Wig, Real HD Lace. And they give you options between 16 and 26 inches. The color is natural black. The hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked and it's supposed to be given 180% density and a medium cap size, okay? As you can see, the lace did look beautiful. This is not glued. It's completely glueless and it's just melting into my skin, you guys. The hair is silky. It's really soft. I do like how the hair feels. I prepped the hair last night and I washed it, co-washed it with conditioner, and then I flattened it with my flat iron, and that's the kind of vibes we got. So the hair definitely moves and the lace is really nice. So those two things I cannot take away from this unit because it's really doing something for me. But we're going to have to take it back. So let's just rewind it back to last night real quick. So last night, this is what the wig looked like straight out of the package. Like I said, the lace looks good, no complaints. Construction, a comb on each side, one right behind where the lace ends, one in the nape area, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Now the elastic band was a very weird place, okay? It was sewn on so close to the nape area, so low that it defeated the purpose of giving you that stretch and pull to keep it as a glueless option. So it was weird, okay? This is what the hairline looked like straight out of the pack, which looks good. I cannot front, but it has like that natural widow's peak. I don't have a widow's peak, so it wasn't going to work for my forehead shape. So I had to go in and kind of tweeze that a little bit for my liking and just get that direct line up out of there that starts at the very tip of the hairline. And this is what it came out looking like. So I didn't take the hairline too far back in the widow's peak area because I didn't want to ruin the space that we have for parting. So I just left it as is, and this is what it looks like, okay? And as I said before, the lace looks good, and this is before me tinting or anything. However, it does come up a little bit short right there in front of my ears. You can see my real sideburns are out, so the hair does not reach that far down. And this is what it looked like after I cut the lace. Still looks good. I can't front, but the hairline shape is a little odd. I mean, I wanted to pull it up more to reach beyond my sideburns, but if I did that, the front widow's peak area would have just been reaching further up, and that wasn't gonna happen. You feel me? So anyways, we're gonna move in back to today. So I went ahead and I needed to tweak this wig for my liking because I wasn't really feeling the way it was looking. To me, I felt like it still looked a bit wiggy. It just looked so straight across. So I had to put a little bit of baby hairs up in there just to hide the hairline a little bit. I just had to get that hair molded down, straight down to the sides to kind of hide some of the hairline. And then I went in and added some layers, okay? So I do feel like this definitely made a difference with the layers, because without having the layers in this unit, it was just so plain, so straight down. And because, like I said, it's 180% density, I wasn't really getting that. I feel like it was more on the thinner side, that without the layers, it just looked a little bit plain, okay? So I wanted to give it a little body, and I went ahead and added a little bump to it, and I felt like that definitely looks so much better, okay? It looks less wiggy. It looks a little little bit more natural. The layers gives it the appearance of looking fuller than it actually is. I do wish it was a little bit more hair on here for 180% density. Of course, all of the hair to the back doesn't look too bad, but when you have some hair in the front, this is all the hair in the front. There's none in the back, and it's just not giving that full body that I was expecting. But other than that, like I said, the hair is soft, the lace is the bomb. The hairline could have did a little bit more work to give us more of a natural look. I could have did without the little widow's peak kind of style they had going on, but other than that, it is cute. But y'all let me know in the comment section what you think. All right, y'all, so y'all saw that me and this unit has some up, some down, some in between, some you'll be like that, yeah, I don't know about that, make it work, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, the outcome did come out pretty, because I'm like, okay, kind of cute, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But y'all already know how I feel about it all together, okay? Y'all let me know in the comment sections what you think about this unit, because I want to know. Do you think you might pick this up or what? Sis, like, let me know, because I'm curious. The direct links, the promo code, the details, all that stuff to Love Me Hair and this unit that you see here on my little pretty old head will be linked in the description box, and you could go ahead, go there, click it, because y'all be asking like, where the link at, girl? Did you click and read more? Did you click in the description box? Just click that button, you know what I'm saying? And while you're at it again, click that subscribe button and the like button, you know? Show your girl some love, you know? Put some work into this. Put some work into this. Feel me? And if you didn't know, your girl does have some merch. So if you want to help sis out, support the channel, put something back in so I can give you something back out, go ahead and look below this video right in the description box where it says Carrie and merch. So you can go ahead and hook your sister up, okay? The mugs are the best sellers and it's the most affordable. Super cute. Who doesn't love a cute mug? You feel me? But I got some other stuff too. But y'all check it out, okay? I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, I'll holla. Peace. Here's a fun fact. I actually forgot to add powder to my parting space, y'all. So is the lace really that fire, or were you able to tell? Let me know, sis.
You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no, cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel